Hello everyone. Today we are the topic of 20 excuses for being late. First one is the there was too much traffic. There was too much traffic. A family member was sick. A family member was sick. My car broke down. My car broke down. My baby sister let me down. My baby sister let me down. I was stopped by the police. I was stopped by the police. My pet ran away. My pet ran away. I felt very ill. I felt very ill. I lost my bag. I lost my bag. The weather was really bad. The weather was really bad. There's been a death in the family. There's been a death in the family. My house, my house got burgled. My house got burgled. I had a car accident. I had a car accident. I got splashed by puddle. I got splashed by puddle. I lost my car key. I lost my car key. I overslept. I overslept. The bus was late. You can say the bus was very late. So watch complete video and click the subscribe button and on the notification. Thanks for watching. Bye.